In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Clickfunnels trial. If you've signed up for Clickfunnels 2.0 and decided it's not the right fit, or you simply don't want to be charged when the trial ends, it's important to cancel properly through the billing center. I'll walk you through each step on screen so you can follow along and make sure your subscription is fully canceled. First, log into your Clickfunnels 2.0 account the way you normally do. Once you're on your main dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a small settings icon that looks like a gear. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open your account settings. When the settings menu opens, you'll see a list of options related to your account. From this menu, click on the option labeled Billing. This takes you into the billing center, where all of your payment information, plans, and subscriptions are managed. Give the page a moment to load so all your details show correctly. Inside the billing section, look for a tab called Subscriptions. Click on that Subscriptions tab. This is where you'll see the active Clickfunnels plan that your trial is currently attached to. If you have more than one product or workspace, make sure you're looking at the correct subscription you want to cancel. Next, find the three-dot icon next to your subscribed account or plan. This icon is usually on the right-hand side of the subscription row. Click on those three dots to open a small drop-down menu with more options. In that menu, select Manage Subscription. This will open a page or pop-up where you can see more detailed information about your current plan, including the trial status and renewal date. On the Manage Subscription screen, look for the option that says Cancel Subscription under your plan details. Click Cancel Subscription. At this point, Clickfunnels may show you a confirmation message, a short survey, or a reminder of what you'll lose access to once the trial ends. Read through it carefully so you know exactly what will happen after cancellation, then confirm that you want to cancel. Once you've confirmed, your trial will be set to end, and you should not be charged when the billing date comes around. It's a good idea to double-check that the subscription now shows as canceled or set to expire at the end of the trial period before you close the page.